Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable, the first examiner, Miss Dita Pratiwi Kusuma Wardani SCMSC. The second examiner, Dr. Minto Rahaju SPPK. The third examiner, Miss Kurnia Ritmadati SSI Ambiotics. My name is Kirza Almas Outsar with ID number 21110500010 from Medical Laboratory Technology Study Program. And here I am to presentation about my research proposal with the title The Effect of Giving Turmeric Extract Curcuma longa on the decrease in interleukin 6 level in Vista rats with type 2 diabetes mellitus. So chapter 1 is introduction, include background, problem statement, objective of the research, benefit of the research, and authenticity of the research. First, the background. Type 2 diabetes mellitus or T2DM is chronic metabolic disorder characterized by insulin resistance and hyperglycemia. Globally, the prevalence of diabetes continue to rise, with the International Diabetes Federation or IDF estimating that over 500 million adults were living with diabetes in 2023, the majority of whom have T2DM. So, one of the key factors involved in the progression of T2DM is chronic low-grade inflammation, with interleukin 6 playing a significant role as a pro-inflammatory cytokine. Elevated interleukin 6 level has been associated with insulin resistance, beta cell dysfunction, and the systemic complication in diabetic patients. And then turmeric or curcuma longa is a traditional medical plant contains curcumin that is an active compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. Recent studies suggest that curcumin may modulate inflammatory pathways and reduce cytokine levels, including interleukin 6. However, further research is needed to clarify its therapeutic potential, particularly in vivo. This study aims to evaluate the effect of turmeric extract on interleukin 6 level in Vista rats induced with T2DM. So the problem statement, there are three. The first is there an effect of giving extract turmeric curcuma longa to reducing interleukin 6 level in Vista rats with diabetes mellitus type 2? Uh, Second is there an effect of giving extract turmeric curcuma longa in capsule 50 milligram per kilograms body weight to reducing interleukin 6 level in Vista rats with diabetes mellitus type 2? And the last, is there an effect of giving extract turmeric curcuma longa in capsule 100 milligram per kilograms body weight to reducing interleukin 6 level in Vista rats with diabetes mellitus type 2? So the objective of the research, there are two. Uh, General objective. The general objective of this study was to determine the effect of giving extract turmeric curcuma longa to reducing interleukin 6 level in Vista rat with diabetes mellitus type 2. And the specific objective is to determine the effect of turmeric extract curcuma longa in reducing interleukin 6 level in Vista rats with type 2 diabetes mellitus. And B, to determine the effect of turmeric extract curcuma longa in capsule of 50 milligram per kilograms body weight on reducing interleukin 6 level in Vista rats with type 2 diabetes mellitus. And then C, to determine the effect of turmeric extract curcuma longa in capsule of 100 milligram per kilograms body weight on reducing interleukin 6 level in Western rats with type 2 diabetes mellitus. And benefits of this research is this study may provide scientific evidence supporting the anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric extract, and then particularly in lowering interleukin 6 levels that associated with type 2 diabetes mellitus. And the findings could contribute to the development of alternative or complementary therapies using natural ingredients such as curcuma longa to help manage inflammation in diabetic condition. So, the authenticity study that I used is from these two papers. The first papers with the title "The Effectiveness of Black Soy Tempeh," black soy tempeh extract on interleukin 6 in type 2 diabetes mellitus with rats. And then the second paper with title efek pemberian ekstrak kurkuma longga L terhadap titer interleukin 6 dan gambaran histologi pankreas pada tikus ratus norvegicus model diabetes mellitus tipe 1. And then chapter 2 is review library. The first is search literature, and then the second framework theory, and the third framework draft, and the last hypothesis. So the literature search for diabetes mellitus is diabetes mellitus or DM is a chronic condition marked by elevated blood glucose due to problems with insulin production or function. It includes type 1 autoimmune insulin deficiency or type 2 insulin resistant that most common, and gestational diabetes that usually during pregnancy. This diagnosis is based on fasting glucose uh, more than equal to 126 milligram per deciliters, and to our OGTT more than equal to 200 milligram per deciliters, and then HbA1c more than equal to 6.5%, or random glucose more than equal to 200 milligram per deciliter with symptoms. And then the second literature is about interleukin 6. Interleukin 6 is a pro-inflammatory cytokine involved in immune response, inflammation, and metabolism. It plays a key role in infection defense, but is also linked to chronic inflammation and disease like diabetes. Uh, Interleukin 6 level are measured in blood using ELISA or immunoassay to assess inflammation or disease activity. And then the third literature, that turmeric or curcuma longa, uh, is a rhizomatous herbaceous plant from the Zingiberaceae family with yellow-orange root and broad green leaves. It contains active compounds like curcumin, dimethoxycurcumin, and essential oil. So turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial, and last is potential anti-diabetic properties. So the theoretical framework, the first is there are diabetes mellitus and curcumin. That diabetes mellitus, if we use curcumin to affect the diabetes mellitus, that will increase reactive oxygen reaction or reactive oxygen species, and then that can stimulation of protein kinase C or PKC, and then that affect the interleukin 6 level because the curcumin have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. For the conceptual framework that we use two variables, that independent variable and the dependent variable. For the independent variable, we use the turmeric extract, and the dependent variable is interleukin 6 level. So the hypothesis, uh, there are two hypotheses. The first hypothesis is the alternative hypothesis that there is an effect of giving extra turmeric curcuma longa to reducing interleukin 6 level in Vista rats with type 2 diabetes mellitus. And then the H null or the other hypothesis that there is not an effect of giving extra turmeric curcuma longa to reducing interleukin 6 level in Vista rats with type 2 diabetes mellitus. And then the last chapter is chapter 3, that method study, including the type and design study, time and place study, variable study, and then population, sample, and sampling technique study, collection data, definition operational, tools and material, and the last is procedure. The type and design study, I will use through experimental with design post-test only control group design, and for the place and time of research, I will the place is biology laboratory and pharmacology laboratory, Faculty of Pharmacy, UMP, with time June until August 2025. So the population is Vistarets T2DA. Sample also Vistarets T2DA. And then sampling technique is random sampling. For research variable, there are two variable. The independent variables we use turmeric extract, and independent variable is interleukin 6 levels. So type and collection data, we use primary data in the form of result calculation interleukin 6 level with star rates with type 2 diabetes mellitus, and then the data analysis will be analyzed using the ANOVA test if the data is normally distributed. If the data is not normally distributed, it will be analyzed using the Kruskal-Wallis alternative test. For the research ethic, the research will be carried out after obtaining approval from the Health Research Ethics Commission of Muhammadiyah University of Purwokerto. So this is the operational definition, include variable definition, and then how to measure, and then result measure, and then unit, and then measured scale. And then this is the tools and material that I will use for my research. And then this is the research procedure from the administration until the last is data result. So this is the research flow chart. And this is the research schedule that start on April until October. And this is the research cost details with the total amount that I use for this research is 6,576 7,600 and 500 rupiah. Okay, maybe that enough for us, enough for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.